How Maltese singing sounds to a non-Maltese speaker. Ever wondered how a song in your language might sound to someone who doesn't understand it? Let's take a musical journey and find out. Yanomar Jovic Atlantic, Thamos Yaran Balakan, Fostic Yarmak Selvin Talton. Welcome Jovic Trelnum, Volsek Melkam Fintek, Yomran Karvik Belma Kelma Somti. Voltan Kilicholak. No, this isn't what real Maltese sounds like. Because it's not Maltese. It's just gibberish like my channel name suggests. But there will always be some who miss the point and comment that's not what Maltese sounds like. All because they didn't get the joke. I can already picture those comments rolling in. Follow me if you want to hear Spongebob singing more languages in hilarious gibberish.